You are worthy of it all. You are worthy. You are worthy of it all. Hey everybody, Wade McNutt here, pianomeditation.com, piano meditation worship tutorials. We are on the key of C today, playing a simple version of Worthy of It All. All right, let's do this. All the saints and angels. Start on an F chord here, F, A, C, face. And then we'll go to a G chord. After that, G, B, D. And if you want to be able to see this a little better, check out the cheat sheets right below the video in the description. Sign up for the email list. You get those cheat sheets, and you'll be able to see just these chords here. It doesn't have songs in it, but it shows how we move around chords in different keys in a very professional way. So all the saints and angels. And in the bass, so you can play Fs like this. You can put a C in there if you want to. G. Put a D in there if you want to. Bow before you. Oh, sorry. Bow before your throne. Whoop, whoop. Play and sing through this at the end of the video as well. All the elders cast their crowns. All right. Weird looking chord. C/E. So we got a C here. C, E, G. But it says slash. So anything after the slash is just talking to our left hand here. So we're going to play E's, crowned before the Lamb of God, and sing. Does that make sense? So I do some other rhythms sometimes with the left hand. You don't have to worry about that. Or if you can see what I'm doing, you want to copy it, you can do that too. No big deal. Either way. Into the chorus. You are worthy of it all. 2, 3, 4. You are worthy of it all. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. For from you are all things, and to you are all things. You deserve the glory. All right? Again, you can pause the video, you can back up, see how all that flows. We'll at the end sing and play through this together, sing and pray through it. Interlude is simple. And this is where the people are singing, right? So just play the chords we're singing through that. Then you repeat back to the verse. All right, so now there's instrumental chords, which are going to be the same chords as the bridge. So when we get to that, we have a C, and it goes to this E minor. So you go E, G, B. And you might be wondering, hey, why didn't you just go E, G, B? Why didn't you just jump up here? Well, it is the same notes, E, G, B. I'm just putting the B down here. And notice that from get to the C chord to the E minor chord, I just gotta move like that. Sounds better, it's easier, learn how to do it. It's called an inversion. All right, so we're at an E minor chord, then we'll go to an A minor, A, C, E. Again, all of these are outlined in your cheat sheets. Get those in the description below the video. F chord, we've already played that. And then C/E, we've already done this, C and E in the bass. Then a G, then a D minor, D, F, A, and then back to the F chord. Okay, so you just play those each 4 times, and then you're into the bridge. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise. Make sure your hands are out like this. Day and night. Oh, okay, here's a little different chord, C/G. So again, C chord here, G in the bass. That's all that means. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise. Nice curve in your hands as you play. Day and night, night and day, let incense So that is all you need to know for our little playthrough that we're going to do. Make sure you can move between those chords easily, and then we will do this together. Here we go! Let's vamp on a C chord just to get going. And make this a prayer. We want to pray through this. God, we love you. We call you into this lesson. I pray for the student wherever they are in the world. We exclaim that you are worthy. All the saints. All the saints and angels, they bow before your throne. All the elders. All the elders cast their crowns before the Lamb of God and sing, you are worthy of it all. You are worthy. You are worthy of it all. For from you are all things, and to you are all things. You deserve the glory. Interlude. Let's actually jump over to the bridge. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise. If you want to build, you can do this. Day and night, night and day, let incense rise. Day and night, night and day, let incense arise. Day and night, night and day, let incense rise. Stay on that F chord, go to the chorus. You are worthy of it all. You are worthy. You are worthy of it all. For from you are all things, and to you are all things. You deserve the glory. Yes, you do, God. You deserve the glory. All right, love you guys. Keep on learning. Wade McNutt here, pianomeditation.com.